Hey, good morning, bud. What you up to there?
I'm just popping off the thing, baby.
Does that mean we're going to go for a ride?
Yeah, we got some high tests in this thing. We're going to go burn some rubber,
Sweet.
burn some fossil fuels.
There's nothing better than doing that on a nice, cool Georgia fall afternoon.
Oh, it's a perfect day for it. You know how
Awesome.
these old cars like to run when it's cold.
They
so-
run better when it's cold.
Oh, yeah. So we're going to go
Cool.
beat on this thing.
Cool, and I guess this will be the final episode on the 82, getting it all back together.
Yeah,
Hope you've enjoyed it.
Yeah, we got a few more things to do, but
Yeah.
the drivetrain's done, so
We're going to motor on it. We'll talk a little bit about that after the video, and we hope you enjoy this episode.
yeah.
Cool.
To kind of show this transmission here, because like I said, this is the first gen Tremec. You can see the shifter here, the shifter boot. You know, it's all bad, but that's how they did them in the first generation of the transmission. One of the things I found was like the reverse. The backup light switch that's here on the side here. Best I remember, I was able to use one of these out of an F-150. Now I want to say it was a 90 something model F-150, and I bought the associated wiring connector to go with it. I can't remember the reason why I did that. I think it had to do with cost. I think Tremec wanted way too much money for a stupid switch. And so we can come in here and look at this. This is the TKO 600. And one other thing I wanted to notice the difference in the shifter boot. The shifter plate's a lot nicer. Has essentially all the same stuff. But this one's a 26 spline. Can't see it right now, but and then you come back over here and this is a 10 spline. 1.16" diameter 10 spline, and this is the same input shaft or style input shaft that the TKO 500 is. That's a typical Ford spline. That was the same on the top loaders, the SROD, and then of course you had a few of the big block top loaders that had a larger spline, but it was still a very coarse spline, whereas the 26 spline is real fine. But just wanted to show the differences. It's been a good transmission. I don't know, I think it's got about right around 150,000 miles on it. And of course, I'm pretty sure I bent shift rods or the shift linkage or something, shift forks, take your pick. But again, it's not going to hold up to what I'm putting behind it anyway. So we're going to upgrade, take care of that problem. TKO 600. Probably the best 5-speed tranny you can buy. And I'm going to have to put this in by myself. So this ought to be fun. So let's see if y'all get a good chuckle out of it. See how it goes. It's running. Got good oil pressure, good idle. Buddy Todd came to hang out, drink some cold beer. Here it is running.
It's a solid car.
Yeah, I mean it's rust-free, almost 40-year-old car. Yeah, I try to take care of it.
Oh, I think you're doing a fantastic job.
It's not perfect, but
there's no car that's 40 years old that's perfect.
let her rip, Mike.
Well, hey, Mike, that was cool. I thoroughly enjoyed that ride, and and getting that footage of the drive. That car sounds awesome.
Not bad
It's
for
a 347.
347.
Yeah.
Not bad for an old 40-year-old car.
By no means. That's a pretty cool setup you got in there, and I hope you all enjoyed the documentation that we did, with the build and Mike's hints for, just normal engine build stuff.
Got more coming.
Got more coming, yeah. We got a few more little items that we're going to take care of as time and money permit. The budget was hit a little hard on this one because you needed the short block, so couldn't address it in this series. But you know what? The future is ahead.
Yep, we could go.
So 2021, seeing as how we're almost out of 2020, thank God.
Yeah, I'm ready for
Hopefully 2021 we can do a few more of these, and especially on this 4-eyes.
Yeah, like I said, we got brakes coming, interior coming, some exhaust stuff. What else?
Possible fuel injection on
Fuel
here.
injection.
Now that would be cool.
So if you guys want to see that in more detail, leave some comments.
Yeah.
We'll get more
Absolutely.
detail oriented on anything you're interested in.
Yep. You can reach us on the video in the comment section or our Facebook page too.
Yeah, so
And we were pretty good at getting back with you on that. If you have any questions about this build and the stuff that was used,
yeah. So
or if you have a question about some of Mike's hits, by all means, ask. But we hope you enjoyed this little series, and we'll continue on with it. And, we all love the Fox body, so hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you did, please like,
subscribe.
and share. And that's right, the notification bell. Cheers, man.
Cheers, brother.